Okay, so this is the roof. We've knocked all the big dents out where people have been sitting on it. Got lots of little dents that would take hours and hours and hours and hours of work to get out. Got the back there, so we've got new seals on both windows now. That's all been straightened up as well. So the roof looks pretty good now, but it would take a long time to get all them dents out. There's loads of them. But there she is. She's all back together. Still got to get some screws for the floor panels. When I stripped her down, she had lots of different odd screws in her, so I've shared out among the two floors what I had just to fit them down. Still got to do that footwell panel there. But yeah, so we've got the new chassis on. I think that's all the painted axles and springs. So she's totally clean under there now. She is totally clean under there. The new fuel tank. It's totally clean chassis. Got some new ball joints. All painted up, props, axles, everything's fitted on properly. That's my alarm. Painted leaf springs. I've still got to do the swivels, and that one on the driver's side is leaking. But she's looking pretty good under there. Gave the exhaust a coat of VHT silver. Yeah, so it's all clean. Just gonna paint these the tub brackets when I get round to it. You can see the rust on that tub bracket there. I fitted the tub on with stainless steel bolts. Use stainless steel bolts all around. Oh yeah, the roll cage is over there. That's still got to go in. We'll do that at a later date. Yep. And new door hinges. Got some new door hinges because these are no good at all.
Step back. This site is alarmed.
Yeah, knocked a load of dents out. This was all pushed in. Still a lot of dents in it, but it's better than it was. There you go.